Hi everyone, so this is another video, the continuation from part 3. So we are going to finish number 7C here. We need to expand and simplify. And we need to pay attention to the order of operations. If you have like this kind of questions, means you have to do the inside the bracket first. Okay, the bracket means multiplications, yeah. So negative 4, multiply it with x plus 6x is 7x minus 5. And then do the rainbow multiplications, negative 28x plus 20. Because of negative 4 multiply negative 5 is going to be positive 20. Done. Now continue the number 8. If you have like this kind of questions, remember these properties. A square minus b square is going to be a minus b, a plus b. But before that, you have to make your questions in a square plus b square, okay? Minus b square. Okay, we need to do the root, right? So if you want to leave it like this, means you have to square root it. Like square root of 4 is basically 2. M to the power of 4 is basically m square. 16 square root is going to be 4. N square is going to be n. So now after that, you can find and identify your a is going to be 2m square. And then b is going to be 4n. Alright, you can leave it like a minus b, a plus b. Your a is 2m square minus b is going to be minus 4n. A lagi, then you will have 2m square plus that with b. B is going to be 4n. Then this is going to be your final answer. Now let's move on to b. We need to factorize completely, right? It seems that the three of them is going to be divisible by 2. So we can just simplify it first before we factorize it. Or just factorize it first by 2. So take out the 2 out, and then you will have a x square minus 2x minus 15. And then we do the factorizations. When you multiply it, you got negative 15. Negative 15. So it is going to be 3 and 5. So we will have a 3 and 5 here. This one is a negative, this one is positive. This one is x and x. Okay, because of when you plus it, you got negative 2. Then this is going to be your answer for number 8b. Okay, now let's move on to number 9. Given that x and y are integers such that the x is in between negative 2 until 8, and then y is in between of negative 6 until 5. Find the greatest possible of x and y. Okay, if we need to find the greatest possible of the multiplication between x and y, means we need to list down this x and the y. Actually, you will have negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, until you got 8. The other one, this one is going to be your x, right? The other one is a y. So we are going to have a negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, and continue until 5. Okay, if you need to find the greatest possible value of x multiplied by y, means you have to find the highest minus highest. Highest of x. Multiply with highest of y. Sometimes I want to say a, but in my mouth just say the other things. Okay, this one, highest of x means you will have a 8 multiply with highest of y is a 5. So that the greatest possible value of xy is going to be 40. Done. Now, if we need to find the least possible value for x minus 2y, means you have to do the lowest of x minus with highest of y. It is because of you need to find the lowest number, right? After you minus the for x with 2y. Okay, now we will have a lowest of x here is basically 4 multiplied with negative 2 minus 2 multiplied with the y he is using a highest 5. So that you will have a negative 8 minus 10. It is going to be negative 18. Done. This is going to be your answer for number 9B. Alright, before we move on to number 10, actually we can just cut it from these questions first, yeah, before it took 10 minutes. I'll see you in the next video.